You're about to see a drone that looks like it belongs in a much higher price category. But here's the real question. Can the XT709 actually deliver where it matters? Or is it just another overhyped budget flyer? Because on paper, this thing sounds insane. 6-kilometer GPS range, a stabilized 3-axis gimbal, dual cameras, and full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. That's the kind of spec sheet you usually see on drones that cost 3 times more. So today we're putting it under real-world expectations. No hype, no fluff, just what you actually get when this drone takes off. Right out of the box, the XT709 gives off a surprisingly premium feel. The folding design is compact, travel-friendly, and clearly inspired by high-end consumer drones, but what stands out immediately is the inclusion of a true 3-axis gimbal. That's not something you typically find at this level, and it makes a massive difference when you're capturing footage. Instead of shaky, jittery clips, you're getting smooth, cinematic motion that actually looks usable, even for content creation. Pair that with 2.7K HD recording, and you've got footage that's sharp enough for YouTube, social media, and even light commercial use if you know how to color grade properly. Now let's talk about the GPS and range, because that's where things get interesting. The advertised 6-kilometer range sounds ambitious, and realistically, in most environments, especially urban areas in the US, you're not going to push it that far. But what GPS does bring is stability and confidence. The drone locks into position, holds altitude well, and most importantly, gives you features like return to home, lose signal, or hit low battery, and it automatically finds its way back, which is a huge deal for beginners who are still building confidence. The dual camera setup adds versatility, but this is where expectations need to stay grounded. The primary camera does the heavy lifting, while the secondary camera is more of a bonus feature, useful for different angles, but not something you'll rely on for your main shots. Still, having options mid-flight without repositioning the drone is definitely a nice touch. And then there's the 360-degree obstacle avoidance. In theory, it sounds like complete protection, and while it does help reduce crashes, it's not foolproof. Think of it as an assistant, not a replacement for skill. It can detect and avoid many obstacles, especially in open environments, but tight spaces and complex surroundings still require manual control and awareness. Battery life is decent, giving you enough time to capture meaningful footage without feeling rushed, and the overall flight performance is stable enough for both beginners and intermediate users. It's not a professional-grade drone, but it doesn't pretend to be. Instead, it hits a very interesting middle ground, offering features that make you feel like you're flying something far more expensive. So here's the honest takeaway. The XT709 isn't perfect, but it's surprisingly capable. If you're stepping into aerial photography or looking for a budget-friendly drone that still delivers smooth footage, GPS safety features, and a taste of advanced tech like obstacle avoidance and a 3-axis gimbal, this is one of those options that actually makes sense. It's not about replacing premium drones. It's about giving you 70% of that experience at a fraction of the price. And for a lot of people, that's more than enough.